This short guide will walk you through how to import customers in Wave Accounting. Whether you're migrating from another accounting platform or simply looking to streamline your customer management, this process will make your life a whole lot easier. Let's dive right in. Before we begin, the first thing you need to do is prepare your CSV file. If you're not familiar with CSV files, they stand for comma-separated values, which is a simple file format used to store tabular data such as a spreadsheet or database. Make sure your customer data is organized in a spreadsheet with columns clearly labeled for each piece of information, like names, email addresses, phone numbers, and any other details you wish to import. Once you have your data ready, save the file in CSV format to ensure compatibility with Wave Accounting. This step is crucial because the system relies on this format to accurately read and import your data. Now, let's head over to Wave Accounting and get started with the import process. On the left-hand side of your Wave dashboard, you'll see a navigation menu. Here, you want to look for the section labeled Sales and Payments. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Customers. This will take you to the Customers page, where you can manage and view all your customer data within Wave. Once you're on the Customers page, direct your attention to the top right corner of the dashboard screen. Here, you'll find the Import from CSV button. Clicking this button initiates the import process. It's your gateway to bringing in all those customer details you meticulously prepared earlier. Next, a prompt will appear asking you to choose a file. Click on Choose File, and a window will open, allowing you to navigate through your local machine. Locate your prepared CSV spreadsheet, select it, and then click Open or Choose, depending on your operating system. Now you're ready to upload your customer information. After selecting your file, you'll want to click on Upload and Preview Customers. This action will start the upload process, and Wave will provide a preview of what your imported data will look like. This step is important because it allows you to verify that all the information is mapped correctly. Take a moment to review this preview carefully. Ensure that each column in your CSV file aligns with the corresponding fields in Wave. If something doesn't look right, you might need to adjust your CSV file and re-upload it to make sure everything matches perfectly. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully imported your customers into Wave Accounting. This process not only helps you keep track of your customer information more efficiently, but also saves you significant time in managing your accounting tasks. Remember, whenever you work with customer data, it's important to handle it responsibly and ensure you have consent to store and manage their information. By keeping your data organized and up to date, you can focus more on growing your business and less on administrative tasks. We hope this guide has made the process clear and straightforward. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to explore the help resources available on Wave's website. Thank you for watching, and happy accounting.